Okay, I'm going to do these problems maybe 2 per video. Okay, so the first one, we have to find the area of a regular octagon with side of 7. So octagon is like a stop sign, right? And each triangle is equilateral triangle, and this is 360 degree, and there are 8 of these, right? There's 8 of these equilateral triangles, so each one of these is 360 divided by 8, which is 45. So I'm gonna draw the triangle over here. And this is 45. So the half of it, we need to make it half to make it a right triangle. This is 45 over 2, that half the angle. And the side length is 7, so this half is 7 over 2, right? And we need the apothem to get the area of polygon. By the way, the problem we did in packet, instead of giving the side, you had the radius of the octagon, or was it decagon? Yeah, the problem in the packet was decagon, and you had the radius instead of side. That is more work because you have to use a sign to find the half the base, and you have to use cosine to get the apothem. You remember the problem? This one I gave you the side, so you have to use the tangent because you just have to find the apothem. You don't have to use both the apothem and the side. Okay, that's a big difference. So this problem is a little easier. Okay, so the area of this triangle, well, I think it's simpler to do. The area of a polygon is 1/2 of apothem times perimeter. I show you both ways, but in this case it's quicker this way because we have the apothem and perimeter. Apothem is, I'm sorry I didn't do that. Tangent of 45 is 7 over 2 over A, right? So that means A is 7 over 2 over tangent, I'm sorry, 45 over 2. That's the half the angle, 45 over 2. Tangent of 45 over 2, which is the same as 7 over 2 times tangent of 45 over 2. And so that's A, so you have to put that here, 7 over 2 times tangent of 45 over 2. And you have to multiply this by perimeter. Perimeter is 7 times 8. The side is 7. There are 8 sides of those. So you have to simplify this. In the denominator, you have 4, right? Tangent 45 over 2. And you have in the numerator 1 times 7 times 7 times 8. So 4 cancels into 8, and this is 2. So 49 times 2 is 98 over tangent of 45 over 2. Okay, now if you used this angle instead of 45 over 2, this angle would be 135 over 2, right? Because together over 2 it should be together 180, right? So 180 minus 45 is 135. If you use that, you get this. Area is 98 times tangent of 135 over 2 unit square. If you are not sure what this is, you can put these both in the calculator and you get the same number, okay? Because tangent of the complements angles are congruent, reciprocal. So if you divide one, you multiply with the other one. I'm just going to leave it there. You can get the area of this triangle, and then you can multiply that by 8 as well. You get the same result, okay? So that would be 7 over 2 times this, right? So you get the 49 over 4, tangent of 45 over 2 times 8. you get the same result. Okay? Alright, number 2. Evaluate which is better, buy a paint in a 4-inch diameter can for $10 or paint in a 10-inch diameter can for $30, and both have the same depth. Okay, so 4-inch diameter means radius is 2. So the area is 4 pi. And you pay $10 for that. So 4 pi divided by 2, it would be how much paint? Actually, it's really you have to multiply that by depth too to get the actual volume. But you know, the depth is the same, so we don't have to worry about that right now. So how much paint we get per dollar? Okay, and then 10-inch diameter is radius is 5. So area is 25 pi. So 25 pi divided by 30 this is how much you get per dollar. So to compare this, we have to put in a common denominator. You didn't really have to change this to 2 over 5 and 5 over 6, because since we want to put in a common denominator, you're multiplying them anyway. So to make this together, this would be, we want to make this over 30, so that's 12 pi over 30 versus 25 pi over 30. So 10-inch is better deal. It's better deal by almost double. You get more than double by getting a bigger one. Okay, it's a better deal. Okay.